bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to continue with the 10-day DIY Christmas gift ideas. I have in front of you some really beautiful tags that I created earlier. I'm going to make a little bundle of sets of gift tags, and I'm going to put it in a little nice package, and I'm going to gift these out as presents. Now, this is a very easy and quick DIY project that you can come up with if you need some ideas on last minute gift ideas. What I did was I basically just used a simple tag that I already had, and I kind of just used this as a template, and I started cutting out all these tags using the paper pad from Michaels, which is this one right here. It's called Sugar Blush. I used a few papers in here that are absolutely beautiful actually. The paper that I used is this one that has these beautiful nice pink floral flowers, and then I use this one that has the beautiful Christmas balls, like Christmas balls for trees. I also went ahead and used this page because I don't like, you guys know me, I don't like using these big 12 by 12 pages. I don't really do a lot of layouts, so these type of pages for me are kind of like I never use. So what I did was, on the corners of these pages you have these really beautiful pink snowflakes. What I did was I basically just cut the corners like I did here. See, I cut the corners and I kind of made a template trying to use the designs that are in these four little corners. So that's how I did this one, which is I just cut the template out, as you can see here, and I did the same thing with this one, and I did the same thing with this one. Okay, so this is another good way to kind of use these big papers that you don't use, and kind of cut out the designs that's around it. Okay, so once I did my tags, I went back and I used the Heidi Swab reinforcements, and I basically have a whole bunch of these that I had purchased last year. So I used some of these gold, silver, and pink reinforcements to add to my tag, and it really just brings the tag to like a new level. I mean, it looks super, super beautiful, super sparkly, and it's just absolutely adorable. And then I also added some snowflakes that are very, very sparkly on each tag. So what I did was I created 6 of these tags, and then I created 6 of the circle tags. Same concept. With this one I used my circle punch that I got at Michael's, and I created 6 circle tags. I also added some cute little sparkly snowflakes on some of them, and I also added the reinforcement on the tags. Okay, so we have here 6 and 6. That makes 12 tags, which is a perfect number to gift away. So how are we going to wrap these tags? Very, very easy. I have here these CD or DVS sleeves that I purchased while I was thrift shopping. You can find these actually at Walmart. I have seen little packs of these little CD envelopes at Walmart. I don't know if Michael carries these, but if you can't find some of these CDs sleeves, you can basically just use an envelope, and that also would work fine. I got mine again at the thrift shop, and it looks like this. It's a box of, I don't know, probably like 100 or something in here, and yeah. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to use a CD sleeve to decorate these beautiful tags. So what I'm going to do is, the CD sleeve have this beautiful opening that you can see through, which is not a big deal. It's perfectly fine, but I personally want to cover this up. So I made myself 3 circles with my punch, so I can go around and cover up that little circle where my tags are going to go in. Okay, so let's use some tape to cover that up. this is gonna definitely, now if you don't want to cover your window, you don't really have to. The only reason why I'm covering my window is because I want to do a nice little pretty decorative design in the front of my sleeve. So I don't want like everything to kind of like mesh in together. That's the only reason why I am covering my window, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go and put some double-sided tape on areas that I missed. Okay, and now I'm going to go in and cover my little window. I'm going to add this in this corner right here. I'm going to add this in this corner right here. And then this is going to go on this corner right here. And that's going to cover that little window. If you want to use some paper, you can use that too if you want. Maybe Christmas paper. That's fine too. That also would work. And that's how my little, see that? That's how that looks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the front of my cover. And what I did was, from the paper, the cutouts that has these beautiful little kind of like journaling cards, I took the Santa Claus and I kind of made him a little bit decorative. I put a little pom-pom right there by his Santa hat, and I put some beautiful flowers, Christmas flowers, that looks really adorable. And I just added a little bit of some beautiful gold and silver thread, and I turned it kind of into a tag. I want to add this right in the center of my little sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to add some dimensions on this because I kind of wanted to lift up a little on all four corners. Okay, and then we're going to put one in the middle. And then we're going to add some hot glue just to give it that double security on 4 little corners. Actually 5 if you count the middle. Okay, I'm going to add a dab of hot glue here, 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 and here. And we're going to add this right in the center of our sleeve, just like that. Okay, beautiful. Now we're going to add our tags in a little envelope. So we have here our 6 tags. Okay, I'm going to add these in here. And then we have here our other 6 tags that are circle tags. I'm going to add those in here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take all these beautiful, gorgeous strings. You're going to roll it up in your fingers. And you're going to tuck it in your envelope. just like that. Okay, so it can get out of the way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to very nice, simple and easy, close this up here. Just like so. See that? Beautiful, right? I love it. What you can do is you can use washi tape if you want to close this, okay? Or you can use double-sided tape, whatever you want. I'm gonna use washi tape just because I don't want to, like, I want to make it easy for the person who gets it to open it. So I'm just gonna use some washi tape. Go back and add more washi tape if you want. And that's basically it, guys. See that? How cute that looks? Adorable. The last thing I want to do is I have some of these really gorgeous pieces of tulle that I was playing with earlier on another project that I'm going to show you guys soon. I took a little piece of this tulle. I'm just going to basically fold it in half, okay? That's basically all I'm going to do. I'm going to take a little piece of thread or twine or something. I'm going to wrap this around a few times. And then I'm going to make a knot. Okay, a very tight one. Do another knot. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue this right over here in this corner of my little envelope, okay? Take this little extra and try to see if you can make a little bow out of it. And there you have it. There you have this really adorable, super cute tag set for your family or friends. I love how this looks here, like this, all messy. I kind of love this. I mean, you can change it up if you want. You can make a bow if you want, or you can leave. I love it. I like it the way it is. I love this messiness on it. I think it looks really, really fun. I love it. The last thing that I did was I basically just took this little tag sign from another little tag package that came. It says paper tags on it. I basically just cut it out. I put double-sided adhesive on the back of it. And I'm going to basically put this right here in the little corner of Santa's hand. And that's basically it, guys. And that is how you create this really adorable, simple, handmade, really quick and easy gift for someone. Now, when someone receives this, they get this beautiful, beautiful set of gorgeous gift tags that they can reuse if they want to. All right, my loves? Perfect. I hope you enjoy watching me make this. Stay tuned for more. Love you. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.